Overcoming disagreements. Now, how about disagreements with your friends? And maybe somebody you haven't seen in a long time. And you go and you find out that person has a different point of view than you do. Hey, but they're friends. But do you see the same point of view? You might not. How do you cope? How do you understand that person? That human connection. How do you connect with that person? There's a connection. The connection, that healing connection. You heal. You connect with that person. You like that person. You're good friends. You want to hang out with that person. You find you have something to talk about. But then you find that person might not agree with you because they have a different point of view than you. You know, sometimes you have to understand. Everybody's going to act differently. Nobody acts the same. Then we all be the same. But we're not. We have our own point of view. We have our own way of living. But you like to adapt, learn, and comprehend from each other and work together. But you don't want to start arguments, get fights, and stuff like that. But the whole purpose of having a friend and friendship is that you want to learn from that person, understand that person. Maybe they have the same likes. They like to do the same things you like to do. You know, that's a good friend. A friend that has your back. Someone that really cares about you, you know, and you care about them. And that works out like that. But overcoming disagreements is, you know, then you start to fight and carry on. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Okay, you don't listen to me. You don't listen to me. Well, why don't you listen? You gotta listen. Hear out their point of view. See what they're talking about. See what the problem would be. Well, when people don't have your best interest of you and they double backstab you. Double backstabbing is when they take something you told them and throw it back in your face in front of others, and you feel embarrassed. You feel hurt. You're angry. You get frustrated. You know, all that builds up into others. You know, the stress, the anxiety, everything else kicks in. You don't want to feel like that. Why do they do that? Because they don't care about you. They only care about themselves. They're being selfish. Or they are jealous. Not jealous of you, but jealous of themselves. Because they can't do what you can do. And you have the ability to do so much good. Yeah, you could try to change them, but sometimes you can't. And what I discussed in the video, people aren't afraid of change, you know. But sometimes they fear that change. But here you have disagreements with your friends. You're fighting. You're carrying on. They might be believing in some other point of view or some other way, or they might be, you know, whatever they're into. They're doing something that they like to do. You don't believe in that. You don't agree to that. Then it leads to argument and fighting. And you just need to take a back seat and say, whoa, wait here. I'm your friend. I want to be with you. I want to do things with you. I want to hang out with you. Because you find them cool. You find them easygoing. They can understand you. They can learn from you. You both can learn. You laugh the same jokes. You do the same things. You know? It could work out. Give it a chance. When it doesn't work out, you'll know the signs. But if they double backstab you and bring on the negativity side of it, then, you know, I have to heal you. I have to make that healing help you feel better and understand why they did that. And sometimes people forget that they're doing these things to their friend. That's why disagreements should be rectified. You should see what the problem is. Talk it over. Okay, what are you agreeing on? What are you disagreeing on? Why are you acting like you do? What do you do? Imagine if countries were like that. One country A disagree, and another country disagree, and they're fighting and disagreeing and fighting and starting wars and all that stuff because nobody agreed. Nobody sat down there and treat them like humans. Hey, we're all the same. Why don't we just work this out? Why do we fight? We don't have to fight. You see what I'm going here? Disagreements. Now, all this is negative. You gotta get healed. See, I draw a sign of protection on you. In this session, a little different from the other session, you know? Hey, you want a cozy background? Here you go. Something cozy, something make you feel at ease, okay? I want you to feel good about yourself. And I want you to feel that you can feel, ask away your questions. What's causing that disagreement with you and your best friend? Okay, have you settled it out? No need to fight. Both of you push back. Stop. No fighting. I don't like anything fighting. I don't like anything negative. I live in a peace and harmony way because that's the best way to live. Why live other than that? Confusion, headaches, get angry, get upset, get frustrated. Why? It doesn't lead to anything good when you feel like that. You get red in the face, your blood pressure goes up, everything goes out of control. Calm down. Work with the friend. Work with the neighbor. Whoever is causing you problems. Try to work with them. If they won't listen, then you have to walk away. But nobody should grab you. No one should pull your hand back. That's your space. Then they step too far. Then you have to say, listen, get off of me. Don't leave me alone. Now you're not being negative, but you're protecting yourself. Clear quartz crystal to help you overcome. I can use crystals here, black tourmaline. This black tourmaline is tiger eye for protection. These are both for protection. All crystals will do a lot. Each crystal is different. Clear quartz helps you with healing. Black tourmaline helps you cooling down from negativity. The tiger eye helps you with healing as well. We have so many crystals for so many different things. But the thing is this. You want to feel that you can trust somebody. That's your best friend. That's a friend that you have, a colleague that you can get along with. A lot of people can't get along with each other. They fight. Emotional crystal as well, which is rose quartz. All these crystals, everything here can help you settle down. You still need a Reiki master like me to intervene, to relax both parties. And what's the problem? Talk it over. See what's happening. Okay? Get both of you in a trance of peace. Take a deep breath. Let that life force energy inside of you. You get that tingling feelings when that life force energy is inside of you. You feel this connection, this bond that you have with this person is your friend. You care about this person. They care about you. They got your back. They come over. You invite them over parties, barbecues, and stuff like that. We have barbecues. That's when we cook outside using a gas grill or a charcoal or wood, whatever it takes to get that thing going. Some use solar, or high tech. Listen, you got together. You went fishing with your friend, maybe you went hunting, whatever it is that you do with your friend to make yourself feel good. You play cards, you go bowling, you like to go to a baseball game, football game, hockey game, basketball game. You guys hang out together. You wear these jerseys and you're yelling at the TV. And you bring them over to the house and you meet the wife and the kids and blah, 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 blah. You see where I'm going with it? You guys have fun. But don't have disagreements and don't have arguments and don't get overwhelmed. Because then overcoming disagreements, and because it leads to so much tension, so much fear, so much anger, so much. But you all are humans and you connect. That connection. And you got to work together. Because if nobody works together, it leads to problems. You got to have friendship. You got to have a bond. You got to care. The last thing you know, you don't want to have animality or anything that keeps you from connecting with that person. You want to feel that healing? You want to feel that healing? Heal. 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 Feel that healing. I'm sending it to you. Sending you that energy of healing to you. Send that healing to you. Send that protection to you. Send that strength to you. You have to feel this energy flowing through you. In from and take out what is bad and put in what is good. That's how you feel great. Don't want to argue. Sometimes nobody wants to listen. No one has the right answer. You both can learn from each other. Learn to cope. Learn to understand. Learn to work together and solve the problem. You don't want to end friendship over silly stuff. Work together. That human connection is strong than anything else. That connection, that human connection, that bond is strong, like a magnet. It's strong. Okay? You gotta have that connection with that person. And you gotta work with each other. As a friend. They got your back. You got your back. I'm your friend, I got your back too. And I'm working with you to heal you, to make you feel good about yourself, to make you feel whole again, because you need it. You feel the goodness and healing. You get the tingling in your legs. I send you, take the sun, like that ball of light, we call it, come down over you. Take a deep breath and push it all the way down to the ground. Now, push it all the way back up, and you're grounded. You gotta feel that healing. Send you that healing inside. Send you that positive energy inside of you. So you guys can work it out and don't have no disagreements. You know, pat each other on the back. Hey, that's a good thing. Shake hands. Or hug and say, hey, I forgive you. Okay? We don't have to argue because arguing doesn't solve the problem. Your friendship does. Now you understand how this is. Your friendship is what connects you together. Like human connection. That friendship. Friendship is strong. You gotta have that friendship. See, by having that friendship, you connect with that person. You understand that person. They understand you. You're both on the same page. Now you understand, right? Good. Because without this connection and this friendship, you got nothing. You got disagreement. You both are human. You have that connection. You can't be mad at one person, mad at another person. You gotta work together and solve whatever the dilemma is. You gotta work together. Too bad our leaders don't do that. If they do that, then we have a perfect time. Everything works together. People have to understand. We all have to work together and we have to solve the problems together. So right now, let's feel the healing. Feel the energy flowing through you. This would be emotional because you're dealing with emotions. I'm sending you emotional forgiveness, the light of healing, emotional forgiveness, the light of healing, the disagreements. Because when you have serious disagreements, it gets out of control. And the most important thing is your friendship. The purpose of all this is your friendship, the bond you got together. You want to heal each other. You want to feel good. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Feel good, feel good, feel good. Feel that healing and then that connection. I hope you enjoy this session. It's a little different than the others, but every day there's a different type of session. You get 3 sessions in a day. I'm trying to help you, and I want you to feel good. I send you some protection. Let's use Tiger Eye crystals for protection. I send you a 360-degree spiritual shield and protect you. But protect you both if your friend is here with you. Bring your friend out. Watch this together. And understand and work things out. You have a better life ahead, okay? And no more disagreements, okay? This is overcoming disagreements. Okay? Take care now.